Good morning, students. In a previous lecture, we have seen seed germination in a early under the early growth rate. Okay, in this lecture, we are going to see seed germination of early seedling growth under the stress. Okay, seedling development starts with the seed germination. Seed germination affect with some internal and external factors. Some internal factors which leads to the germination, that are the some chemicals has a role in seed germination, that is known as a hormone. That's hormone are responsible for growth of stem, root, initiation of flower, initiation of sex in a flower. External factor like abiotic factor of in nature such as soil, temperature, light, climate factors which are essential for germination. If both external and internal factors it are not favorable for germination, it goes under the dormancy. If seed are germinated, that means that seed having the satisfy internal and the external factor, due to which a germination will be take place. That condition create the stress in different type: drought stress, nutrient stress. Stress means any condition that make a difficult to surviving. In that first factor or the first index, that are the promptness index. Promptness index, it is given by the Boltzmann and Speck in 1984. What are the formula of promptness index? It is the PI is equal to ND2 1.0, ND4 0.8, ND6 0.6, ND8 0.4, ND10 0.2, in which ND2 4 6 10 considering the germinating seed after 2 4 6 8 10 days after the sowing, and the calculating the promptness index. Next, germination stress tolerance index. Germination stress indicator is estimated by Boltzmann-Schwamm formula in 1984. Promptness index, GSI, germination stress index, it is a promptness index of a stress seed divided the promptness index of a control seed into 100, that are given, that is a control stress seed divided by control into 100. Plant height stress tolerance stress index. Okay, it is a seedling growth indices. The shoot length of a stress index is equal to shoot length of treated seed divided by shoot length of control seed into 100, that are plant height stress tolerance index. Root length stress tolerance index, we have to only calculate the root length stress index. In this root length stress tolerance index is equal to root length of a treated seed divided by root length of control seed into 100. Dry matter stress, dry matter tolerance into dry matter of a stress plant divided by dry matter of control plant into 100, that are the seedling growth under the stress condition. If any doubt about this point, please comment below the section. Thank you.